one over the telephone.
Well, many people have cleaned up the damage after
Today, NBC 8's Brad Brown revisits the family to find out how they...
Last week, the Pulaski's trampoline was thrown 500 feet into a tree.
We're going to get a new one. We're going to get a new one. We're going to get a new one.
This morning, the family went out to do just that. Luckily, they didn't have to run all over town, and after a little searching, the girls finally found the one they wanted.
Look at that trampoline hanging up there.
Yes, I see it, sweetheart.
It's really hanging up there.
And with a little help from Grandpa, the girls got their new trampoline.
Get a new one?
Sitting on it right now.
You're sitting on it right now?
But the girls have a good time with or without the trampoline.
We are having so much fun. Come around back and forth, back and forth.
And they'll have even more fun when they get home. Brad Brown, NBC 8 News, Columbia.
Good for the kids. 24 homes were damaged in Boone County during last week's storm, and more than 20 cars and farm buildings were also hit.